have an intro. Woo! Okay. Okay, let's open it.
Take it and throw it.
It has Naruto characters!
I'm 100% it says zooming on your face. Okay.
We'll have to censor that.
Cats are fighting.
The cats are fighting. Grab like Dustin one at a time.
Sugar
so we
candy.
get,
Oh, I
I've had
love
this before.
these.
No,
I love
so
these.
disgusting.
I love these.
They're so
They're
bad.
disgusting.
Get down.
I tried these. Oh, they have the Japanese Kit Kats. Which one are these?
Oh, wait.
Oh, it's cranberry and almond.
Disgusting.
That's
Okay.
really good.
Okay.
Get it.
Distracted.
Once
Naruto characters.
No, I was talking about it.
You ready to? It's just sugar. It's just sugar. Yeah,
Try
sugar.
one. This tastes like something, and I'm trying to think.
They do taste like something that I know.
Nerds.
No,
It-
not nerds.
Nerds without the sour.
No.
No, they taste like a candy I've had before.
Yeah,
It's like
that's
cotton
before,
candy.
too. Yeah.
Is it cotton candy?
It
Tastes
is
like cotton-
sugar.
It tastes like cotton candy.
This is what the package is.
You know what? It's probably because cotton candy is sugar.
Sugar.
Pick up a ranch.
This one. Can't read it.
It looks like chocolate filled
It
wafers.
looks like chocolate filled combos, but
Woo!
they're like biscuit cookies.
That's
Oh, salty.
salty.
Mm.
I give it a 2 out of 5 Shadow Clone Jutsus.
I don't like it.
I don't like it either.
Chocolate rice cracker.
I hate that so much.
I didn't like that at all.
Creamy and crispy pies, what it says. Pies. The cream pies, that's what it is.
Reset my mouth.
These aren't pies at all.
He is angry.
This isn't a cream pie. You get one?
Thank
You. You get. It's like a little cookie.
Oh, it smells like a butter cookie.
It does.
It's a coconut butter cookie.
Oh my god, coconut really?
Yeah. These are really good. These get a 5 out of 5 Naruto runs.
I have warning. Cancer and reproductive harm. I don't know if they'll be able to see, but it's right there.
Okay, who's
Oh,
still
it is a soda.
It is a juice.
It is a juice.
Okay, take it and suck it like it.
I'm gonna get a cup, but
Yeah, so we can.
okay.
Chocolate chip.
Couple
Choice.
gets that one.
Couple. Heh. Couple.
Oh god.
The camera.
Here, Brandon, you wanna look it up?
It doesn't smell like anything.
It smells like Kool-Aid.
Doesn't taste like the plastic.
I hate it.
It'd be better cold.
Brandon,
Yeah.
you're sitting on our snacks.
It'd be better as a slushy.
This gets 1 out of 4 Mataratsu.
Yeah. It's a
I'm eating a Kit Kat.
It looks like the cranberry almond, but
Oh.
I could be wrong.
almond.
They're really good.
I like that one.
Hmm.
I like that one.
That's good. I don't like those dark chocolate, but we're
I
going
I
on.
like how there's actually bits of craisin, so it has the chewy consistency to it.
I feel like it would
instead of
also-
just crunch.
Yeah, I feel like it'd be something my grandma would give me around Christmas.
That was good.
This is a lemon gummy. Lemon gummies.
Let's reset our mouth.
No, they're
Yeah,
multiple.
I'm gonna use
I like
it.
the packaging. It's so
It
cute.
is cute.
And the little triangle.
Oh,
They're little hearts.
Aww,
It's gonna be super sour.
I like it.
Is it sour?
No,
It's a lemon head.
it's a little bit sour.
Not bad.
Not bad.
I like
That's
it.
good. Oh no, it's a different flavor.
Tokogi.
The cookies.
Chocolate chip cookies.
Oh,
Oh, they.
What? It looks like
So they're hollow?
It looks like
no, they have chocolate inside.
Ooh. It's like a chocolate fig Newton, like George said.
I like
really
that.
good. 10 out of 10 lightning blades.
Okay, they smell like nuts, so I don't know if it's a hazelnut or not at first.
Redid the intro.
Let me pull up my weed.
Allergies.
White milk. know, the death of a big ball.
You're,
Let you eat one. You
it
wait.
tastes like a.
You wait to eat one.
Dustin, she wants to die, dude.
It tastes like.
I like that.
Like
It has
peanut.
a crisp thing over the
Around it.
chocolate.
It
I
tastes
don't know if
like.
it's a shell.
It tastes like peanut M&Ms.
I like how it's supposed to look like an egg.
20 out of 20. I am the Hokages.
Pick one for us.
These.
No, pick one.
Because it
Like
has
three.
a little,
Her little paw landed on these.
Her paw landed on that. Put it back.
Did I say balls?
And it was like, are they really?
Oh,
Or is it smushed?
Oh!
Oh my gosh, those are gonna be amazing.
It's gonna be crunchy raisinets.
I really like that. It tastes like pop cereal
Yes,
Corn
covered
pops,
in, yeah.
chocolate.
To me,
I-
it tastes like
I like it.
coffee.
They're supposed to look like coffee beans.
That's cute. I like that.
That gets a 3 out of 3 Sharingans. Right for these. They look like Pringle sticks.
It should say on the back too.
They're wheat crackers. Yeah, it's like the Pringle sticks, but not like pizza or honeysuckle flavor or whatever. They're good. It's just a wheat cracker.
Oh, I thought that was not what I expected it to feel like.
Yeah.
Oh.
They're good.
Good. I mean,
They're just
They're
plain
kind of
balls.
bland, but
Yeah.
they're satisfying at the same time
Oh.
because they're so bland.
It's an aftertaste that's bad to me. Tobacco.
It gets a 3 out of 6 broccoli.
I don't like that one.
Get the chips.
I just don't think I'm a big like honey person.
I feel like it makes my mouth warm for some reason.
We have potato
does.
chips.
Yeah, just potato chips, black pepper. Woo!
Cool, I'm excited.
They look like chips.
Oh,
Crazy. Yeah. I like
You
it.
know what it really tastes like? A Chick-fil-A
Barbecue.
chicken nugget.
I'm kind of does, yeah.
You get what I'm saying?
it's all the pepper that they put on them, I guess.
Yeah.
They,
You need another one?
it's a Chick-fil-A chicken nugget in a chip.
Yeah. Because it has the sweetness too.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Like the batter or whatever they use.
I love black pepper chips, and those are good.
Yeah.
That was true love.
It tastes like pulled pork.
It does taste like a piece of meat.
Like
Yeah.
something you would get at Dickies.
That's a 20 out of 20 Grandma Sinades.
Woo. This one, what's this? Just a wheat cracker. It just says wheat cracker, has chocolate chip.
We got a bunch of wheat crackers in this box.
Do you have your hot?
Yeah, it's in my car.
Yeah, because they can also, I didn't know that they could look them up for you.
Okay.
What do you mean?
I'll taste
What?
it and I'll taste
They can look them up at the register. You don't have to bring them in. They can look up your purchase history and find
Do you
it.
know how many times I've not used hot cash because I've forgotten it?
We found that out when we went there. So if you have a hot topic near you, you don't have to have your hot cash.
I'm kind of upset about that.
Here's that piece.
This-
It's for both of us. They only have
Yeah,
just
split it in half because it's only one cookie.
Here.
Right.
It's a cookie.
It's a chocolate chip cookie.
It's good. Like, they're so good.
What are these?
There.
This just says candy. Oh, this is so cute. Oh, it's a build. It comes in a little tray.
We have to build it ourselves as a marshmallow. Oh, it's not a marshmallow.
You smell it. It smells like.
It smells like a Bath and Body Works apple candle.
That's very specific, but you're right.
It smells like.
Winter candy apple and a candy.
This
It's
is
like
DIY candy time.
these little tiny balls.
That stuff is sour.
Oh, hell yeah.
That is good.
Be right back.
I have a feeling I'm just going to want to eat all this, like, syrup stuff.
super good. What it looks like you're supposed to do is take this
Poke
and
it.
probably stab it and then dip it.
Dink it.
You gotta dink it.
Yeah, it's probably meant to be like a candy apple type thing.
And then do this.
And sink it.
I'm gonna eat it.
You gotta sink it. Sink
It
it.
looks like a little
bam.
donut. It's so cute.
I think you're gonna hate it. You probably shouldn't eat one.
You are gonna absolutely despise this moment of your life.
That was the last one, so I had
Tasha
to make
gets
it
the
a
stuff.
ultra.
Yeah, I get the stuff.
She gets the stuff, dude.
She gets to eat all
'Cause
that.
she's the guy.
Oh, it's delicious though.
Good.
The thing.
Good Spy
It's
Kids,
so
yeah.
good. There you go.
Thank you. Someone got it.
Yeah, I did.
All right.
These already get a 10 out of 10 for the packaging because they're Hello Kitty. And then they get an 11 out of 10 because they're matcha.
I like how they made her bow green too.
I know, they're
Did
really
they
color
really?
coordinated.
Oh.
Yeah.
You know what?
Yeah. Oh, dang, I didn't add a Naruto reference. This
Good
get a
first thing
7 out of 7 Kurumas. I had to dig deep for that one.
Yeah.
I forgot. I haven't seen Naruto in a while.
I rated a whole neck beard.
He's not my favorite. I didn't like him the first time I got him.
Is that it?
No, we
No,
got
that
the
one
one
more.
more.
Oh.
I'm trying to open it.
Oh, this one.
That one's a hard candy, and I think it's supposed to it's like a jawbreaker type
It's
of
like a
thing.
suck
Suck it.
one.
Yeah.
George,
Oh,
we have scissors.
Yeah, but that's dumb.
That was significantly easier.
Okay.
Say don't bite it, right?
It literally,
It's
yeah,
a little ball.
looks like a sucker.
It looks like a.
It looks, yeah, like a dumb with how it's sick.
They're good. I really hope the camera picked that up.
I do too.
They're really crunchy.
There's cherry juice in
Yeah,
it.
they're really good.
Yeah. Those are
Cool.
yummy. And they're not over, like, sugar.
Mhm.
They're nice.
And it's also not that much like artificial cherry flavoring either.
Mm-hmm. Well, because it has real cherry juice in it.
Oh, that's pretty good.
That's it.
Everybody's favorite. What's your favorite?
That one.
The dippy one?
This
The
one.
create your own?
Yes, that tasted good.
Oh, I gotta see the packages. Okay, I'd say either. Let me see. Chip there. Here we go.
The chips are
So
good.
either the chocoballs or the chips are my favorite, but I really like
Oh, those
the
were
gummies.
good. Those
These
were
lemon
cheap.
And
gummies?
the Kit Kats are really good as well.
I actually like these, I think, the most.
Yeah, it's like a chocolate rice cracker.
I hate
Those were good.
My favorite one?
I just wasn't expecting that much crunch.
Yeah.
There's chips left.
I like this one. And the lemon one. The lemon one was probably my favorite. So that was my video. The channel. I'll link it. You can go see it. He does vlogs.
I do vlogs.
Entertaining. She's in them a lot. We're sometimes
it's
in
mostly
them.
me and her.
It's fun. Okay, bye.